Hello, my name is Elizabeth Cooley, and I will be presenting my workplace problem and solution. Due to the national pandemic of the coronavirus and a lack of dental providers available in northern Wisconsin, a lot of patients' appointments were canceled at the Park Falls Dental Center. To determine the root cause of the problem at hand, a few problem-solving tools were used. The fishbone diagram was used to identify multiple reasons as to why there is an overabundance of patients who still need to be seen for their dental care needs due to COVID-19. Additionally, I used 6 different types of restatements to help determine the root cause of the problem. This led me to the final problem statement of how can we schedule more patients with the dental providers without overloading the schedule and abiding by new policies and procedures in place from COVID-19. The next step in the problem-solving process is to find potential solutions on how to solve the problem. The first 2 problem-solving tools that I use to help find solutions include the divergent thinking process and the convergent thinking process. To identify possible solutions to help aid the problem, I held a brainstorming session at the clinic with all the individuals included in the scheduling process. As a group, we identified 12 potential solutions to help with rescheduling patients whose appointments were canceled from COVID-19. Next, the 12 solutions were categorized into 4 different categories of staffing, clinic expansion, COVID-19 guidelines, and scheduling. The next step in choosing a potential solution is to use the devil's advocate thinking method to narrow down the potential solutions from 12 to 4. Those 4 that were identified include having a floating dental assistant to help clean rooms, not rescheduling patients who do not show for their scheduled appointments, changing the hours of operation to 6:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m., and staggering lunchtimes between each dentist and each hygienist. To determine which of those 4 potential solutions would be the best possible solution, a weighted ranking system was utilized. As you can see on the chart, the solution of changing the hours of operation scored the highest with a weight of 3.5. This will be the solution that I will use to help solve the problem of rescheduling patients' dental appointments. Next is the plan to implement the solution, which will be done in 3 steps of expanding the schedule, consulting with the dentist and hygienist, and advertising the new hours. For the implementation plan to be successful, potential issues will need to be addressed. Some of those problems that may arise include overscheduling, providers being unhappy with the 12-hour days, and not advertising on social media. These problems will be taken care of by scheduling more break times, having dental providers split the work week, and by creating and maintaining a social media presence. For the solution to be a good solution, ethical, environmental, and societal considerations need to be thought of. There are no environmental considerations. When scheduling, the staff members need to maintain patient confidentiality and safety for ethical considerations. And as far as societal considerations, the patients and community will be happy that they will be able to be seen for their dental care needs. Lastly, the solution needs to be evaluated by the effective solution formula. The best case scenario is for the solution to be of a high quality and high acceptance. The stakeholders, which include the employees of the dental clinic, patients, the employees' families, and the community, will be happy with the solution proposed because their dental needs will be addressed. Therefore, the solution will be of high quality and high acceptance. Thank you.